like new brick home in Abbey Ridge. Located only 1 mile from the hospital and minutes to shoppings, schools, OA, and it's only 13 minutes to the sandy white beaches of Gulf Shores. Open floor plan with all vinyl flooring. No carpet. This home is handicap accessible. Split bedroom floor plan. Primary bedroom has large master bath with a 5-feet shower and a soaking tub. There is also a walk-in closet. The kitchen has a large walk-in pantry and there are 2 more closets in the hall for storage. There are hurricane shields that cover the doors and windows. The owners have added sprinklers to the lawn. There is a covered porch with connections to add a TV.